Hey, what do you do when you find out the game day is taking place at your house and you have to come up with some quick snacks? Here's something to help you out. I'm going to use my Hot Logic portable personal oven here, which some of you may know. I have a Pyrex dish that fits inside and a heating element that heats to the temperature of a slow cooker. And we're going to plug that in right away. Alright, we're going to use the Pyrex dish that you can buy with the Hot Logic, or use a dish of your own. And we're going to fill it with a bag of Fritos. But we're going to do the style of snack that makes it a little bit more fun for a special game. We're going to poke a hole in it and open it up. If any of you have ever been to band camps and things like that, you'll recognize this as a walking taco. But for now, we're going to fill this Pyrex dish with a bag of Fritos. I like leaving it in the bag because it makes it seem a little bit more fun for a party, like the Super Bowl. Spread out your chips, and now I have warmed up a bowl of chili that we have left over from supper tonight, but you can buy chili in the can. That's another way to do it. You can even buy vegetarian chili. And I warmed this up in the microwave using my little microwave pot holders so I don't burn my fingers. And I'm going to pour it on top of the corn chips. Alright. Now this is already warm. In this case, we're going to use the Hot Logic just to keep it warm. So you can do this a little bit ahead of your party and everything will stay nice and warm for you. But if you want to add more chili, you can do that. However, we're also going to dress it up with some nice cheese. Now you can use melted cheese or shredded cheese. I'm going to use some shredded cheese here. And putting that all over top of the chili meat. You can also pour some cheese on if you want, or keep some on the side to replace after people start eating this. We're going to cover this up and get ready for the rest of your party, and we're just going to let that cheese melt for a couple hours. If you're having the party like quicker than that, you can melt the cheese and pour the cheese sauce on. We'll be back in a couple hours, and then we'll put some other toppings on this nice game day snack. Alright, now this has been warming up, melting the cheese. Let's check it out now. Okay, now we have some nice melty cheese on top of the nice warm chili and the toasty warm Fritos. So we're going to take a little bit of salsa. I'm using a medium salsa here, kind of chunky. And spread this around on top. Hey, 7-layer dip, take a back seat to this one. Okay, although 7-layer dip is pretty darn good too. And then open it up a little bit, and we can top this with some nice sour cream when we're ready to serve this to your guests. Wow. If you're surprised you're doing a game day party at your house, this is a great way to make one of the snacks that you might want to serve. Also, it's a great way to take this to somebody's house, because you can carry this portable oven and plug it in at their house. And I think that's a delicious looking snack here. Let's see how it is. Okay, everybody, dig in. Nice and hot, delicious. People will snack on this all night. Also, another idea. Inside here is this heating element. I happen to have another one here. You could take it out of the case when you're ready to serve. Just use the heating element, plug it in. It'll keep your snack nice and warm, but it's a nice presentable way to serve. And put the case away for now and just serve it on the heating element. And that can sit on a coffee table or anywhere that you can plug it into an electrical outlet. And that's really a nice way to serve your food to your friends. Okay, I'll put the link to the Hot Logics if you're interested in that for a future party. But if not, try this recipe using perhaps your slow cooker. If it's not too deep and you can keep everything warm until your guests sit there, and then take the bag out and serve it on a plate. That's another idea using the same kind of recipe. Alright, there's a great way to quickly put together a game day snack. I hope your team wins. Have a great night.